So here's my Wakelet homepage. As you can see, here are my collections, and then if you need to create a new collection, that's right here. So I'm just going to click on the first one. This website is a great way to organize your topics and all the different links you have or resources you use. It's a great way to separate it out by topic and really keeps things organized. As you can see in this collection, I have there's articles, there's videos, all about campaigning to spread the word to end word, and then there's how to respond to the R word, frequently asked questions. So there's a lot of resources anyone could look at if they came across this collection. And then I'll go to the next one. And same thing, this is my theme, assistive technology. Just articles, videos, all the things I use to help pull out information and learn more about the topic. So it's a great resource that I can go back to and look at all those sources. And as you can see also with this one, the layout is different. So you can make the layout however you want, whatever suits you. And then now I'll go home again. And if you ever want to find any specific type of collection or a person, you just go up here at the search bar. I typed in assistive technology, just hit explore, and you'll find whatever collections or anything else that you wanted to find. And then here is the Wakelet extension. And here it's perfect. You can share things from here. You can see group collections. It's easy to get to the website. You can create a new collection right from here. And just a quick, easy way to access all those sources that you had. And yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching.